warfare. A vicious dub place. A thrilling dancehall vibe in locations across Jamaica.
We got just a
Culminates here at the Mascam Village in Kingston tonight with the crowning of the greatest sound of them all.
We shall not want. I'm on the night. When it's the day that the sun roll out, sound a good day.
Welcome, Selector! I'm your host, the E to the L to the V to the A, yeah. It's the night we've all been waiting for. The night, two sounds from a field of 16 will be engaged in the ultimate war for bragging rights, cash, and the Champions Trophy in the greatest sound clash competition on the planet, bar none. Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2009. Bass Odyssey versus Sound Trooper.
Yo, Damien Dillinger represent the Bass Odyssey. Keith on my right, Mark on my left. Hear me I say, we come out tonight and the trophy I go a country. Bad sound up on the town tonight. Remember that.
We're right on the wine house with the Guinness Sound of Greatness. So may I say, Ricky Chopper, Jay Snoop and Keith. So may I say, I want to discover the door if you're doing it. When you're in a bag of talking. When I said this and I said that. So may I say, we discover the door we have to do. Not only for long talking. Saying.
And now, our judges are DJ Squeeze and Smurf.
The competition is great. It has been clean and violence free so far, and that's something which we really stressed on, and so far we have achieved that objective. As for tonight still, we're also looking for a very good final. So far the place is jam-packed with the patrons, and you know, Sound Trooper and Bass Odyssey is two foundation sound system, so we expect a good showdown.
There are some changes in tonight's finals. Firstly, there's a $20,000 fine to anybody who breaches any of the rules of the competition, and that is what I'm all about tonight. I'm looking for those breaches, and I'm going to be on top of them things, and also Smurf and I'm going to be looking forward to a good competition.
With me right now is a man who has officiated every single Dega clash from the start of the competition. You know him, you love him. He's our resident referee, Johnny Ansem. So Johnny, what going on the competition this season?
Boy, you get a rough fight, get tougher. But we don't change the rules. We not change the rules no time whatsoever. Because we have 3 rounds. Juggling, tune for tune, dub for dub. And remember, we still keep it clean. You understand? Good, clean entertainment. No music where instigate violence to no one whatsoever. So may I beg you, drink some Guinness, party with us, and trust me, it's musical war, not physical war.
A Bass Odyssey I take it, big banty, Bass Odyssey. Bass Odyssey play and ball, still them a go dead.
We just arrived from England Thursday, I say boy, me happy there so. Me happy there so for Bass Odyssey. Scringy dead and gone around, bring it back a center. A Sound Trooper. Yeah, Sound Trooper was there. There.
Trooper was there, Trooper can't lose. Bass Odyssey dead.
Bass Odyssey.
Bass Odyssey to the world.
Sound Trooper of course.
Sound Trooper.
Trooper to the world. Trooper to the world. Bass Odyssey.
As you can see, it's a massive crowd and a fantastic atmosphere already in the venue. Stay with us. After the break, the ultimate WARR between Bass Odyssey and Sound Trooper. Welcome back to Guinness Sounds of Greatness, most anticipated clash in the history of the competition, happening right now at the Mascam Village in Kingston. And it's now time to unleash the brawl between Sound Trooper and Bass Odyssey.
Good night, Moscow. Moscow, good night. You see the road there? I'm not juggling around the boat. You see me? But then you go and progress all the way and juggle.
Raise your hands them in the air. So play kill trooper in here. Odyssey is a champion town. It's a dangerous time to share. It's Odyssey instead of any crown.
All who come here to know say how we are going. Put a 200 here, go so. 200 here. Hey. Moscow, go so. All in the bad mind, go so.
Right to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong.
What? See how I got action. Moscow, what?
But I'm so study does the wrong.
They just get. Moscow. Level. If you don't know where BSNC come from, let me tell you now. All put your button fans, go so.
This is the third night and it's the outer Alexandra. She owns the round her coronation market. No safe rope because she's talking. Load from mama basket, turn her neck and know it market. Yeah.
Level. Super. BSNC bad. Always squinching and grave. All you agree with go so. All the way on the inside, put the 200 here, let me see them. No boy can't kill me tonight. You see tonight.
Again and again, we kill them again and again. We kill them again and again. Again and again, and again and again.
Never give up the fight. Here with that my life so dark. So me no worry. My life so happy. No matter where them start.
Moscow, my life, and the one other.
Hey, if you blame like you blame, who give it? Don't blame like blame, no way how you live it. To them not sleep them way. No make mistake, so blame it.
Turn it up. Switch, you know what I feel.
We used to roll together, together, together. I never know I wouldn't be.
What up?
I wish I could see you.
Hold up. Stop here, stop here, stop here. Stop here. Stop. Oh my God, stop. You know the middle. Everybody start on this side. Stop.
Cause when me looking at them, they make me know that they don't like me. Cause them can't walk in my Nike. What's your friends, why you smoke with that friend? Cause them things forgot to talk. The only friend when me love, I don't want to go. Keep him closer to me than a rock. Them sad. I am alone.
Level. Trooper don't come up and go run off in mode. But Ricky Trooper, you're your selector there.
Because I search when I use cause I grab them. What's up with them clock cause I grab them. Prosperity to one them no class.
So when I'm afraid of some boy when they can't talk to him. Sometimes some boys are with them.
Them only can wish, them only can talk. Them never walk the roads where we walk.
All who love me after this, you're going to 200 your life, so.
Bad mind and scrupulous people. Get up on us.
All who can troop up for that time, bad mind, 200 here. Make that 200 here. All the real calling, put that 200 here. What about God and Father?
I want to do. That's the one that said it. I want to do one day.
Them are pretty. But then it's a
Money, money, ha, ha.
money, ha, ha.
Money,
money, ha ha. Make my laugh out like a Santa.
You're not gonna squeeze it. And this is the actually sound roll out, sound I go do. You walk so like so I sound I go do.
This is better than say.
Big jump and country.
You sound every day.
Mark, when you are run them why you crawl. Based on this year and that play with fall. Hope and pray. I find him like my way. No way. Send me a ring, not for your team. Not for your team.
All who never do that, they're wrong. Put that one at the end of the city.
You must be dreaming. Oh, you feel kill me for this when we unbeaten.
When a fight is so easy.
What do I hear them?
When you're rolling with the army that no scare we represent the Gaza. We no afraid of nobody, no afraid of nobody.
People don't want to come from, big up on yourself. Say, I love on you know. Say, me not go ask who love Trooper and who this and who that. Nah, me not depend that. I come to play a tune tonight and we don't know. Play a tune and we don't know.
Don't you forget your son and leave you crying.
Listen!
He's flashing light. Someone loses when they are weak and to find someone playing. Hear them cry and to forgive house.
You know so super sound said it I do that. Super at the boom boom sound. No give this sound can play this world. It's a champion sound. Super at the ruling sound.
This is I'm gonna die. The light of whispering tonight. We're not alone. Still they thought something. Listen, this is I'm gonna die. Born to a country sound, sound true for the real sound. Anywhere we come from, we defend Jamaica. Yo, let's pretend, smack your set up. Tonight I'm a scam for your funeral. Mom stop the crying. No cannot escape. Trooper kill them and smile again. Okay. Tonight I'm a scam for your funeral.
And this is pack up your jump and chuck up in the deepest sea.
Short and slack.
Carry the trooper go murder them son and Guinness. Go and give with the trophy.
There is no time to get. Some come to story top and try come up and be him and create. Let's go problem for laughter. Let's go for the place out. What does it get done? No fish for them guys. Them come to story top and try come up and be him and create. Tell them change them way. Big youth hurry up because I think Selassie. I see your black now stretch out. So King Selassie I know more rock. Me no pass I am. Listen tonight. I'm asking. My father on the bowl of the ring. I want them feel like Trooper. You know freedom no man. I be a would have throw from your ton champion. We are send base and the see back where them come from. Don't a sentan. Figure plan Kalaloo. A yellow yam. Plus we no big friend. Beggy base and the see can't beg. Go this again. We never see them with no man. Hungry peer men. Be a girl ask how I do the guy. Mark you done dead already. Don't pick your dead again. Yo. Yes, this is life young, but them don't want to live it. Afterwards, so I don't too bad give it. Them no real, them no fake. Mark them a bait, cake until we don't have sense and none of this so what them play. And no for them also they don't like my boy.
Rise up and rock and neck youth. Watch a move, move. What them a do for me, them will never go lose. Me say, falling. So the island, the powder, when them sprinkle at the stars. Falling, fall. Watch for the island. Show them up. From them, all over the world, club, dance out. What do you mean about them? Yeah, them some make you like the pillar. You like a risk, them ready for blow it. You know why? Think of me ever. Yeah, man, you want club. We ever turn.
The money no. Who's going to make it in? To cook a joke. Feel away. Let me that crack the room today.
I'm kill myself. I alone have this. When I play that song, I have to play no more songs for the rest of the evening.
Why? To me, yes, I did. Get around there, yeah.
Juggling, yes, I did.
But that's why I'm
Chopper, me say. Chopper, big up yourself.
ODYSSEY gone, you know.
ODYSSEY, take it still, you know.
ODYSSEY, we say. ODYSSEY.
Yeah, Mr. Ricky Chopper to the world. Chopper to the world.
You heard the massive crowd here inside of Mass Camp. Someone said Trooper, someone said Addison. I don't know. You still want to come back from the break? Tune for tune. Welcome back. Before the break, you saw the ferocious juggling round between Sound Trooper and Bass ODYSSEY. The judges called it. The audience called it. I don't know which part is there. Right now it's up in the ear, but people, stay tuned. Because you see right now, the real WARR are going. Tune for tune.
People, let me tell you something. It's right enough. I kill me coffee, kill people. I want him to tell me this and this. You're not winning tonight. Yo, jump that Junior Murphy there. Yo, what is sound to my people out there? They can't tell me this and this is summer. Yo, boss, yeah, let me tell him. Yo.
Super! Me come from country, but me show you something. Born at all that boy, me tell you something. Yeah. Bounty killer on the borderline. No other word we not gonna.
Me not ask nobody if me lead and me win wrong. Then the rough and the wrong and fresh. Have you ever played bounty killer? You ever played a killer where kill people? You ever played a killer like this and don't know around and run and jump it?
No mercy. Somebody got up there. Don't give me no argument.
I'm a son of Yo!
Boy, you go dead. No matter give me no argument. When you come to war and play bounty killer, you play bounty like the one here. No merciless.
Ain't gonna speak my intention. I'm not the auction. Action.
Ricky Chopper. When action speak louder than words.
I know we are baby, but you see that Junior? Me not afraid of people, man. I'm bad, man. Be a fool. You come big up a chance and go like your murder. Boy, you gone, man. You wicked, man. Yeah, talk to us, you know. Yeah, no man. You're gonna come to Chopper. Come on, bad men, wicked men. Not take one fit on you.
Chopper. The country boy here stand go 6'6". What time now? 25 minutes past 12. Me can't tell Ricky Chopper something.
Look at my face, dude.
Me can't tell you something. Me can't tell you something.
Yo, people, let me tell you something. Race and the fields if I can't enjoy. Yeah, yeah, me. Me not fear not sound. Jump that load there.
1,000 shall fall at thy side and 10,000 at thy right hand.
Yo,
but none shall go.
We not fear nobody. I'm here to tell you. Let me tell you something. Master, yo.
Rudy don't fear, no boy. Rudy don't fear.
Yes. Super, let me tell you something. The coach is on here. Let me tell you something. The coach is on here. Ricky Super. Ricky Super.
Believe you what's up.
What? You believe it? But you know.
Me not fear no man. Jump the culture there. Yo, me and this people. Yo, all the rest of them are there. Yo, master, me can't tell me and this is song. Tell them. But you power. On a war.
Me buy a brand new jacket suit got Chupa for them. Chupa, me show you your kids on that morning. Chupa! Ricky Chupa! You said this morning. I want you to this morning. This morning.
One time.
Become a dance fit now.
When a man play a tune about federal I say dead, you have to counteract it. Don't understand dance thing go. You can't kill me. Yo, nitty-gritty kill that tune. False alarm.
False alarm. Talk about the sound dogging.
Yo, all the rest of me living. Yo,
The sound dogging.
yo,
This is not a false alarm, this is a real alarm. And you not clean that chat boy, you kill that sound a whole heap of time. But if you kill me, and it's 1 time, 2 time, 10 time, and one thing happened this morning that I must kill.
I come to kill assassinate.
You could have shot till you're dead. We can't tell you to show by the flash.
Boy, you're dead this time.
Bounty killer can't kill Sound Trooper. When the cartel fans them, they drop it.
Mama tell you this. You can't talk me no more. Can't box me
Yo,
no
man, yo. Let me tell you, tell this is over. Tell them. Let me tell them something. Yo, shut the noise up. When the cartel was fierce and it's here. Master.
Yes. Super. Who you draw for Vice Cartel? Me not this, no artist. All your Vice Cartel, 2 on a year. This is a sword clash. Super, me tell you something.
Can't say me never did I warn you. Oh Lord, me tell you.
Let me tell you something.
Whoa.
Ricky Chupa.
Now trouble take your lot of God. People shut it and go hit you.
Me a send it to when me kill him tonight. Me a send him back to center. Come back here.
Son boy, won't you go home?
Why want me to send this in? Yo. Master, me tell you something, yo.
Won't you go home, son boy?
Me respect Chupa, but Chupa don't respect me. If you give me respect right you. All the respect, me put your 2 on here. What a little youth are going good. All who say me are going good, say good. Chupa, you have to respect a little boy like me.
All of merit to the foundation of the music. To all the godfathers.
Go on here.
You know, you have some little people who know respect. As a matter of fact,
all who say me are this girl, put your 2 on here like so.
you see the elders then?
Ricky Chupa.
Watch it. When I nurse, when I press, when I dribble, when I soda, when I pound.
Hear me, I like that tune there. Respect your elders then, yeah? You have to respect me. Cause you know me a killer. So me I said, I hear me a one and the sound system is it. Jump that get it.
Yes, some little boy come talk about gold teeth front.
Yo. Hey, hear me a one and the music, yo, jump. Listen tonight. Yo.
Some man away, they want to ram it up. I guess I get away, they want to ram it up.
Ricky Chupa, there's a problem. You should support them tonight. You should make a younger youth on the song get the break. All who agree, me put your 2 on here. When scripture bad for me, and it's bad for you, and we never take it for yourself. Actually, you want $1 million? Let me make you lose the $1 million, you know.
Oh. We can't take privilege. See? I'll be very good too much. I'm going to
done. All of a sudden the clash done, put a two on there. Ricky Trooper, let me tell you something in the morning.
The things that me done.
Pull up.
Tune for tune, definitely bass on it.
For the tune for tune round, I give bass on it.
A trooper will come from a base of this leader now.
Base of this.
Trooper my selector, but base of this killing.
Base Odyssey, of course.
Trooper, I'm saying 56.
Trooper, me say trooper to the world.
A straight base of this. Big man thing.
Well, you heard the car. It's kind of in the ear. It's still kind of hard for me to clearly overtake it. It sounds like a base of this to do. But we're going next to the come back from the break. Dub, but dub, make sure you come back in now. Make sure you come back in now. Welcome back. As you saw before the break, the tune for tune was people. I can't even find a word to describe it. It's hot, it's mad. Right now, a dub for dub.
Ricky Trooper, let me tell you something. You shouldn't come up here and this Squingy, because guess what? $5 starting your business and Squingy are one. You shouldn't diss the youth. You understand? You don't respect the youth, and not even 9 nights in the forward. You don't come at the youth funeral. You don't even come at the youth set up. All of a sudden, boy, you respect it. If you select and put a 2 on here, let me tell you right now. You have to respect Squingy. Me come from country with your town. Ricky Trooper, me tell you something this morning.
Tonight is so very clear. Ricky Trooper sound, yo, them are good dead in here. I this the launch the attack, so you know for your facts the troopers gonna get murdered.
Oh my God, so don't get so.
Mask cap don't know where you're going.
All who say me a Sunday, put a 2 on there, go so.
So we now worry ourselves, yo, we just a keep calm. Cause that sound boy,
bring it trooper.
We kill her in your town, trooper. Based on this, we come from country, but we're on Jamaica.
Yo, one thing we know about dancing, people. Me know when the juggle around that guam and go wicked. In a life, sometimes you have a round where I saw something go, you can't lose a round, or you can't play some tune and a man play better. But them are going dead here, so. Yo, bless this, me play that tune there already, you know. And I'm going to come back and talk about dead in your town and rare. People, all who come to see them dead, you don't have the light of them. God and kill them.
Hey, boy, you're not gonna last. You play 2, your face be mad. Trooper make him play 3.
Base of the sea, dead a mask camp. Trooper no laugh, teacher we not ramp.
Your left center and get in a the swamp. You never know say you so no play a ramp.
Ricky Trooper hold your life like lamp. Base of the city know say we are the
Trooper, the whole of town know me on the new cartel. When me come at town, me cut everybody. Me don't specialize in no artists. All the time here, it's about 2 on here. Trooper, me right here this morning.
Some man say them our rival, I kill me come to kill them in the finals. You see? Hey, watch out now. Me tell you, okay, you never got feel. I sing it, and push it to the deal. Hey, watch out. This one big bad bass and they say representing the country. Your trooper talk too much tonight, he must die. And even when we come out, but Ricky Trooper drive up in a Gary car. One more night we kill Trooper again. Yes, I did say that come to me.
All the Trooper for them start up this time.
Tonight a funeral a mass camp. Murder, listen up a Trooper. Hey, how you just get?
People, I don't want them dead. You ain't seen that tune now? Vice and Beanie Man and Vice Cartel in a combination. All the Trooper, nothing.
And it's all one man and
all those are Trooper! Come on, dead!
You understand? Anybody knows
Turn your spirit!
It's Beanie Man alongside the teacher. King of the dancer alongside the teacher. Oh yeah.
Yo, you come and see me and listen there. We are behind the ear for the one. You know where we go. Hey! Here can I say? Show me something to play people them. Never tell us something tonight. Yo, alright.
What me
Last man standing man.
Can I ask you a question this morning? What me say this in each your name? All the rich sweat bounty killer put a 200 here on the buyer. Now my daughter boy I show me up to. Business signal coming. Level. All the way business signal put a 200 here right now. Trooper, let me show you a bad job later. Yeah.
Yes, I sit on Trooper in a double. I'm so fidget that this is doing another all. Big that me.
What if I want to punch you now?
We do it again. Yes, I just kill them. Yes, I just say. You can't kill some Trooper, man. Yo, let me tell you something. Hey, yes, I just say. One thing I tell you tonight. So I say, yo, my mother can't kill you. You say you the man. You the man. And when they talk, you bust your dry out of your tongue. Drop that through the cartel.
You know, still a Trooper. You know, we come for us wipe off the this year for the and them unknown selectors. Cause from Swings drop out, I don't see nobody to take the space. And usually we always used to leave even at several meetings.
Let me tell me this is something.
What a disgrace. Hey man, well you and me I know do round this up.
Who you fit happy man?
Mark boring tongue. Trooper I bring thin judgment come. You feel out any seed and drink street by drum. And else you and me I wouldn't go down. Sound boy not call you born in a tune. You shouldn't go wash up and taste no drink down. You drink back some milk with a little spoon down. When you see Trooper bring me and come. Mark you wanna no big man. In a mass champion and live long. Trooper I got done base for the sick. Collect the trophy and the million. Base for the sick you should do both tongue.
All of the Trooper dead, dead. We can't play one Kingston and artist will live here now. If come from country but say yes. Make me done the hunchback boy.
Versus sound we kill a man, church and respect and all that stuff. No be a sadist. For kill sound our policy.
And you can't squint your name here, go there. You can't squint your name.
I don't sing my name scringy. No respect, R.I.P. Cause some guy coming out the place and live for his name like this. I want to them. Yeah, man.
Level. All the way squint you put the 200 here. Me I do this with squint you to
I want to them. You so get knocked out.
Super.
Hey, shut your mouth. Next cringy rest in peace and done. I call on the man name and when for them I'll keep you never told. Everything and rest in peace and done. What? You put a road. Don't talk on the side of because them arguments that nobody now buy that. I talk about so we neglect cringy. Everybody in I don't know so you lie that. Vex cringy give you enough time and you can't deny that. And ungrateful boy come to think of it. The car when you drive no cringy by that. That's why you sit up right in my ear. Because I look at you. What? There's no money in your class. And if I got killed that means tonight the way shame. The people realize that you're lame. And from a day you can't believe that you're really bad man. Cringy for him fame. Shut your mouth. What?
Hear me on. Squingy can't buy me no car. You hear me this cringy from night? Eh? Me never this cringy from night. Who you me this cringy? Me this cringy? Eh? Me this him? Me this him? Me this him? Well, you see true not tell lie. I never this him. Me got this him. Yeah, man, come here, yeah.
I don't know what lie that sound over there saying a truth.
Yeah, me not this him, man.
Yeah, you know from a war. The thing them never the far.
Listen.
Ricky Trooper done them all out. Oh, you feel watch Trooper when you sound from our mouth. You know hear when me hear from the show. Mark a fight for the thing in a Lisa hype mouth. So tonight I go be a blood spout.
You answer me? Me not this no artist. Me not this no selector. And me not this none of uno. Trooper, that does this squinch and you shouldn't do it. All who say them boys shouldn't this squinch, who will make here? Trooper, it's like how you this squinch. Squinch, me know you're there with me now. Rest in peace.
One to them beers and the shit. Them boy they talk about cars, I'm gonna tell them boy. No boy when boy come can't check the rest. Trooper, watch your speech on the words, what you say. Killer this year and this and this year out winning. Shut your dirty mouth, don't say nothing about thinking. No bad mind or this is true, you know them at the level.
All who tell the boy you're dead, go so. All who tell Ricky Trooper dead, go so. Who was telling the boy, go so?
No bad mind or this is true, you know them at the level.
Hey, Mr. Undertaker, Bill Trooper, a couple.
I have to be to get right off in a more ways now.
Listen!
I have to kick it like a ball in a pin.
Tell you how this is going to survive.
How them have a about a mask,
with the Guinness money.
Trooper kill them, make it jump on TV. Because Ricky say, woman all the while. Because this is funny. Because this is another life living.
I don't want to be telling more now. All who want to be telling more, telling more. All who send that, go and be a sadistic. Trooper, all you be say, you're the big bad sound killer. I can't kill me a sadistic. Me can't tell you something about Mascap this morning.
Oh, I'm the idiot Ricky Trooper. Oh, I'm the Licky Trooper. Kick it out like a ball, a style I represent. Hey, me a sadistic. Kill something, man. Kill something, man. Kill idiot Trooper. Trooper go under the dirt. Him like phone when I shot. Trooper then easy. So easy we kill that. I don't know what idiot Trooper.
All of the Trooper there, go so. Go so.
So easy we kill that. I don't know now. We have them right now.
And have them a clap. And them now make no walk. We have step one time.
Yo. We've come to the end of the ultimate battle between Bass Odyssey and Sound Trooper. We're going to take a short break, and when we come back, you're going to be seeing clips from some of the guest artists' performances and the crowning of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2009 champion. Stay with us. Welcome back. You're watching the grand finals of the greatest sound clash series on the planet, Guinness Sounds of Greatness 2009, featuring Bass Odyssey versus Sound Trooper. Now we've come to the moment you've all been waiting for. But before we go to that, we're going to show you some clips of the featured guest artists.
Most time me a put she got for my kids. Me with dead for my mother. So come here love your mother, go some mask up. Whoa. Yo, tell them so, yeah. Mama, you are. Somebody at once, spread the birds, sleep, come over. Yeah. Mama, you are down. I in a front, so you won't see the yard, sleep, come over, yeah. Whoa. I want them push aside and they're super. Don't tell them this mask up. We are real youth, we shot the real world. Don't tell them this mask up. Over there, sir. Whoa. Yo, you think I need to time them push on that?
All who don't believe in a bad mind, all who believe that we have to shine, I told you then, we want the whole of us to go, sir. Run this, sir. Oscar, give me. We not go. You can't tell me. Say another time. Yo, Guinness mask up to 7. Somebody said, give me. Boy, girl, I feel it. I can see how to Oscar girls, me make them one more. Baby, give me one. Oh, we got a million more nights, cause I can't sleep without you. Alright, so me says, cause every day me say me want another life. Cause me no want to wake if she not take her back. Roll your bed, me a beg a rap life, swallow me pride. Mercy call without you, want me feeling scared hiding. Remember when you say you need me all day. Look from the room to inna the. So me no really want me learn the hard way. Me no afraid to say please. One. Informer, person, over your door and your home. Yes, I remember. Turn out the thing they do. Tell them all that no. Tell them. Say what? Go. How's the time? Hold up. We're doing the full run on the bad man people that must stop. How's the time? It's time to down there.
Brace yourself. The moment of truth has arrived.
After 16 weeks, we've come down to the grand finale of Guinness Sounds of Greatness. For myself, I've been in the room for quite some time with different sound systems and trying to really get a hold of what has been going on in the dancehall. The good thing about this Guinness of Greatness competition is that it has some wonderful rules. Some rules that we as Jamaicans ignore at times about what goes through our kids and what they play on TV and radio. Guinness as a company decided to do something for the sound systems of Jamaica and support us. But they said we have to play by the rules. And this competition has done that. As we tally all the points together, all the rounds together, Stone Trooper came up with 264 points, and the winner is Bass Odyssey with 523 points, the champion for 2009.
How you feel about the whole thing?
What do you want to go on now? Saying, I'm not tell a lie. Somebody say, saying, bonafide and from my heart that come. Somebody say, we about know about dancing and our ears them thing that go on. Saying, so tonight, the crowd that will come in front of. Saying, from early, like I know say Ray and Tay and Blair. Saying, I said to my youth, them say, yo, it's going to be a rough night because we know them thing about, we don't feel away because, I'm going to tell you something, one thing we know. Saying, we have been through these roads and things. Yo, a bad sound we have. If it was a different dance way, them thing and have, you know, Ray and Tay and no rules and so, like the real clash thing and the real thing, yo, a different thing. Because basically this is not a bad sound for we.
Congratulations to Bass Odyssey. Journeyed all the way from St. Anne, took it to us, and now you are the winners. How does it feel?
Feel good enough. Because you know, Squingy, pass and gone. I'm now going to stop big up Squingy. And me do this to Squingy. The rest are selected them for the sound, the younger selected them. You understand? Me do it for me do it for Father Kim, me do it for Worm, me do it for Mark, me do it for Charlie Glock, everybody. Based on this is back. A Squingy, so we're bad and we're bad. You understand? We feel good about it, because we did have to do this. We did have to do this, trust me.
Of course, we have to give the last words to the big man himself, Gareth Geddes, brand manager of Guinness. How does the brand feel about the whole thing?
It's a proud feeling, really. We could have asked for a better final. Two veteran sound system delivering tune for tune, dub for dubs, and juggling the hearts out to the people. It's been crazy. Maximum turnout. Capacity mass camp, fantastic. 2009 Sounds of Greatness. Yo, watch out for 2010. It's gonna be greater.
So there you have it, Bass Odyssey, the greatest of them all, in the 2009 Guinness Sounds of Greatness competition. It's been a most thrilling experience for us, capturing and bringing it to you, the television audience. All the clashes across the island. We hope you have enjoyed the series as much as we have enjoyed bringing it to you. On behalf of Guinness and the entire production team, I'm your girl, the E to L to the V to the A, thanking Fashion 911 for this and the many other outfits they have provided me through the course of the competition. And especially you for joining. Until next time, do remember to always reach for greatness.